What's your problem? I've got a fly in my soup. Don't speak too loudly, sir. Everyone will want one. What are you talking about? I'm doing the fly in my soup gag. Nobody? Oh, there's another. What is that? Trilobite? I'm not biting anything. Oh, all of this stuff keeps falling down into my soup. Dust mite? Anything might. I keep getting covered in flies and creepy crawlies. Oh, where is this stuff coming from? It's these conservatory roof blinds. I've got the sort that fold up into, what do you call them? Can you tell me? Pleats. Pleats, can you tell me? Is there a problem with them? Well, not if you're an insect collector, no. Oh, there goes another. It's splashed all over my fly. No, it's just gone on my legs. And they get dusty and mouldy. What, your legs? No, you've got to help me. Well, why don't you just fold them up? What, my legs? No, the roof blinds. If I fold them up, I get glare. I can't read my screen. Your screen, yeah. I'm trying to look up what kind of thing this is in my soup. Cockchafer? No, it's just the way I'm sitting. Still, these conservatory roof blinds must keep you warm in the winter. Warm? I'd get more insulation from the film on this soup. Oh, there goes another insect. Flea? I'm going to have to. I know who you need to call. Springwatch? They know all the best insects. No. You need to call conservatoryinsulationsspecialists.co.uk. Who are they? They are the true experts in conservatory roof insulation. Go and fetch me that phone. You may need to dust it first. Insects aren't falling on my head. You seem happier. Oh yes, I'm so glad we rang conservatoryinsulationsspecialist.co.uk. Were they good? Good. Since we got rid of those silly, floppy, thin roof blinds and got proper conservatory roof insulation, there are no insects plopping everywhere. They broke the mould. Oh, you mean they were unlike anybody before them? No, I mean there used to be mould everywhere, and now there's none. No creepy crawlies, no dust falling down, no glare, not too hot in the summer, not too cold in the winter. Is there anything conservatory roof insulation cannot do? Well, can it make soup? Because I fancy a bowl without surprise insect croutons. I'll just see what I can do. Oh, so what have we learned? We have learned that if you're showered with insects from your rubbish roof blinds and they're dusty and mouldy, the answer you'll find. There's one great solution to all of your woes. Call Conservatory Insulation Specialist.co.uk. Cha-cha-cha. And thanks to our sponsors, conservatoryinsulationsspecialists.co.uk. Experts at conservatory roof insulation and more. It's a magic product. It does what it says on the tin. We're glad you could join us. And we hope we're going to see you next time when we explore more important reasons to upgrade your conservatory with conservatory roof insulation provided by conservatoryinsulationsspecialists.co.uk. And we can change the house name back to Dunroman. Why, what was it? Dung Beetle.